Hello student, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So welcome back to cloud computing classes. So student, today we will discuss about database as a service model in cloud computing. So this is a very important topic in cloud technology. So here I discuss about what is database as a service model and name of cloud database available in market and deployment model of cloud database and database in cloud computing environment. So first of all, I tell you what is database. So first is database or cloud database. So a cloud database or database is a collection of informational content, either structured or unstructured, that resides on a private, public or hybrid cloud computing infrastructure platform. So from a structure model and design perspective, a cloud database is no different than one that operates on a business-owned on-premises server. The critical difference lies in where the database resides. So, a cloud database resides on server and storage furnished by a cloud or database as a service provider, and it is accessed through the internet. So here I discuss about database as a service model. So you can say that database as a service is a cloud computing service model that provides user with some form of access to a database without the need for setting up physical hardware, installing software and configuration for performance. So all the administrative tasks and maintenance are taken care by the service provider, so that all the user or application owner need to do is the database. So if the customer option for more control over the database, and this option is available and may vary depending on the service provider. So a cloud database may be traditional database such as a SQL Server or MySQL. So for example, Amazon SimpleDB and Microsoft SSDS. Microsoft SSDS means SQL Server Data Service, and Amazon SimpleDB means Amazon Simple Database. So database as a service consists of a database manager component which control all underlying database instances via an application programming interface, and application programming interface is accessible to the user via a management console, usually a web application, which the user may use to manage and configure the database and even provision or deprovision database instances. So, name of the cloud database. So, you know the name of journal database. Journal database, that is Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, and this database used in cloud model, that is known as cloud database. So here I discuss the name of cloud database. So Amazon Relational Database Service. Second is Amazon Aura Database, Enterprise DB Database, Google Cloud SQL Database, Oracle Database Cloud Service, Microsoft Azure SQL Database, Amazon DynamoDB, and MongoDB Database, and Cloudent Data Layer, and Microsoft Azure Cosmos DB, and Amazon Simple Database or Amazon Simple DB Database, and Google Cloud Big Table Database, and Oracle NoSQL Database Cloud Service. So here I discuss about the deployment of or deployment model of cloud database. So cloud database, like their traditional trend, can be divided into two broad categories. So first is relational database, second is non-relational database. So you know, first is relational database. What is relational database? So a relational database is organized based on the relational model of data as proposed by E.F. Code in 1970. So this model organizes data into one or more table or relation of rows and column with a unique key for each row. And in another words, a relational database typically written in structured query language, that is known as SQL language, is composed of a set of interrelated tables that are organized into rows and column. So the relationship between table and column is specified in a schema method. So SQL database by design rely on data that is highly consistent in its format, such as banking transaction or telephone directory. So popular cloud platform and cloud provider include MySQL, Oracle, IBM DB2, and Microsoft SQL Server. So any other relational database model. So relational database model, which can also be called relational database management system or SQL database. The most popular of these are Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle database, MySQL, and IBM DB2 software. These are Microsoft SQL Server or RDBMS are mostly used in large enterprise scenario. So, which is mostly used to store data for web application, typically as a part of the popular LAMP stack. So what is LAMP stack? LAMP stack is a software tool where provide a complete features of database. That is, LAMP is Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP, Python or Perl language. So second point is non-relational database. So what is non-relational database? So relational database have a row and column, but non-relational database. So non-relational database, sometimes called NoSQL database, do not employ a table model. Instead, they store content regardless of its structure as a single document. That is a MS Word. And this technology is well suited for unstructured data such as social media content, photos and videos. So non-relational database is and in another word you can define it non-relational database, also called NoSQL database, the most popular being MongoDB, DocumentDB, Couchbase, HBase, Redis and Neo4j are no relation database. So these databases are usually grouped into four categories: key value stores, graph store, column store and document store. So there are various types of non-relational database. So first is key value store, second is graph store, third is column store and fourth is document store. So here I discuss about the key value store. Means first point is key value store. So key value store means these database pair key to values, and analogy is a file system where the path act as the key and the content act as the file. There are usually no field to update. Instead, the entire value other than the key must be updated if changes are made to be done. Second is graph store. So graph store, what is graph store? So these Excel type of data are dealing with interconnected data. Graph database consists of connection or edges between nodes. Both nodes and their edges can store additional properties such as key value pair. So third point is column store. So what is column store? So column store means relational database store all the data in a particular table rows together on disk, making retrieval of particular row fast. So next and last point, document store. So these type of database store recorded as document, where a document can generally be thought of as a grouping of key value pair. It is nothing to do with storing actual document such as Word document. Keys are always string and values can be stored as string, numeric, boolean, array and other nested key value pair. Value can be nested to arbitrary depth. So last topic is database in cloud computing environment. So here I discuss the cloud database environment. It's supposed to be the best possible answer for most of the need of programming developer over the globe, where they need to store their data of their application in backend which can be exceed and adaptable to change from even a single client. So this database as a service model provide a lot of traditional databases on local and server machine like MySQL, Oracle, etc. So the database which are classified over the traditional relational data services where we get the data on organized way of SQL query writing. For such conventional database on cloud are maintained by Amazon RDS, Google SQL and Microsoft Azure. So we have other side of cloud database like Amazon SimpleDB, Google Data Store, which are not a RDS but based on NoSQL database concept, which are under-standardized and does not require traditional RDBMS query to work with such database. There are some most popular database in cloud computing. So first is StormDB, MySQL PostgreSQL. Second is SQL Cloud, Mongo Lab, or you can say that Google Cloud SQL Mongo Lab. So thank you very much.